Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I went to school.
I went to school.
You learn English every day.
You learn English every day.
You learned English every day.
You learned English every day.
He plays soccer in the park.
He plays soccer in the park.
He played soccer in the park.
He played soccer in the park.
We like to drink tea.
We like to drink tea.
We like to drink tea.
We liked to drink tea.
You open the window.
You opened the window.
You opened the window.
You opened the window.
I like to listen to music.
I like to listen to music.
I like to listen to music.
I liked to listen to music.
She runs very fast.
She runs very fast.
She ran very fast.
She ran very fast.
He talks to the teacher.
He talks to the teacher.
He talked to the teacher.
He talked to the teacher.
You clean your room.
You clean your room.
You cleaned your room.
You cleaned your room.
I come home.
I come home.
I came home.
I came home.
We cooked dinner.
We cooked dinner.
We cooked dinner.
We cooked dinner.
We visit our friends.
We visit our friends.
We visited our friends.
We visited our friends.
She waits for the bus.
She waits for the bus.
She waited for the bus.
She waited for the bus.
You write an email.
You write an email.
You wrote an email.
You wrote an email.
He opens the door.
He opens the door.
He opened the door.
He opened the door.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I drank a glass of water.
I drank a glass of water.
We go shopping today.
We go shopping today.
We went shopping today.
We went shopping today.
She dances in the living room.
She dances in the living room.
She danced in the living room.
She danced in the living room.
You read the newspaper.
You read the newspaper.
You read the newspaper.
You read the newspaper.
He washes the car.
He washes the car.
He washed the car.
He washed the car.
I asked the teacher.
I asked the teacher.
I asked the teacher.
I asked the teacher.
We celebrate a birthday today.
We celebrate a birthday today.
We celebrated a birthday today.
We celebrated a birthday today.
She explains the grammar.
She explains the grammar.
She explained the grammar.
She explained the grammar.
I play the guitar.
I play the guitar.
I played the guitar.
I played the guitar.
She visits the museum.
She visits the museum.
She visited the museum.
She visited the museum.
You watch TV.
You watch TV.
You watch TV.
You watched TV.
We study at the school.
We study at the school.
We studied at the school.
We studied at the school.
She talks on the phone with her mother.
She talks on the phone with her mother.
She talked on the phone with her mother.
She talked on the phone with her mother.
You work in the office.
You work in the office.
You worked in the office.
You worked in the office.
He explains the problem.
He explains the problem.
He explained the problem.
He explained the problem.
I repair my bike.
I repair my bike.
I repaired my bike.
I repaired my bike.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
She sang a song.
She sang a song.
I answer the question.
I answer the question.
I answered the question.
I answered the question.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.